Have you ever felt like laziness is stealing your dreams? Many people have big ambitions, but they never take the first step because they keep waiting for the perfect time. Let me tell you the story of a boy who struggled with the same problem and how he finally proved himself. There was once a young boy who always dreamed of achieving great things. He wanted to study hard, become successful, and make his family proud. But every day he postponed his goals. He said to himself, "I'll start tomorrow." Tomorrow became next week, and next week became next year. Slowly his dreams started to fade, and all he was left with was regret. One day, his teacher noticed his wasted potential and gave him a powerful challenge. She said, "For the next 30 days, wake up early, complete one meaningful task every day, and write it down. Don't try to do everything, just one task, but do it with full effort." At first, the boy struggled. Laziness pulled him back. But little by little, he started to see a change. Each small victory gave him confidence. Each day of discipline gave him strength. By the end of the 30 days, he was no longer the lazy boy everyone knew. He had proven to himself that success doesn't come from talent or luck. It comes from defeating the laziness inside. So remember this: if laziness is holding you back, the only way to kill it is through small, consistent actions. Prove yourself every single day, and soon, your dreams will no longer be dreams. They will be your reality.